Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show a somewhat clever way to get free music on Bandcamp in the way that the artists want, of course. So some artists, I like this artist named Vapor Vagabond from New York. Sometimes they'll give out a limited number of free copies of their albums. And what they do is they give you these codes here. And you can add this to your collection by going to, it's the artistname.bandcamp.com/yum. And you enter in these codes and you can get the album. But the issue is some of these codes have already been used by other people. So it's kind of tedious to go back and forth between this page and this page, copying this, pasting it, seeing if it's available, etc. See that you can imagine it's kind of tedious. Oh, this one's available. But say it wasn't. Sometimes the first code is not available. So in that case, what do you want to do? So I have a simple script here. So let's say we copy all these codes. Copy. And we enter them here. So, I copy and paste my codes into this Python script. I import a library called pyperclip. So this is not part of the standard Python library. You have to pip install pyperclip. And from there I import a function called copy. And basically this copies whatever you tell it to into your clipboard. So I split these codes by new line because they're separated by new lines. That's what /in means. And then I open this file called index.txt, which just has a 0 in it, and that's it. I open index.txt, I read in this number as an integer, and then I copy ccodes index. So it starts off at 0. So I copy this. Basically what pyperclip does is it copies this code into my clipboard. And then what I do is I overwrite index.txt and I write index +1. So what this allows you to do is paste the code into Bandcamp. And if it doesn't work, you run the script again and it will copy the next code and you can paste that code. So it runs really quickly. So let me show you this in action. So if I run Python codes.py, it copies the code. Then I can just stay here, paste it. This happens to be available, but let's go to the next one. This will copy the next code. Also available. All of them are available, I think. I think this album, some of his other albums, or her, whoever, they have actually a lot of the codes were used, and that's why I wrote this script, because it was really annoying copying and pasting all the codes. I run it again, it copies the next one. Also available. I run it again, it copies the next one. You get the point. So index.txt is now at 4. And basically if you want to start from scratch, or you get that album and you want to get another one, you just reset index to 0 and then you reset your codes. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem this album, add this album to my collection. And there you have it. So I like doing that. It's a really nice way to just do this really quickly. And since it's such a short code, what I'll do is I'll just paste it into the description of the video description, so you can all use it. I'm gonna put in dummy codes like, and then I'll just put it in the description, and you can all use it. Just whenever you do it, just paste in the proper codes. Make sure you have an index.txt in the same directory that has a 0 in it, and you can run this. It's really nice way to do it. So just thought I'd show that little hack, and I hope you all have a good day, and I'll talk to you all later.